The Martin Lindstrom Video Report. New and innovative ways of building brands.
As the world's first, we have been able to scan a consumer's brain as he was out shopping. In partnership with NBC Today Show, we today announced this amazing study, which was conducted in partnership with Biology Inc. here in New York and SANS Lab. Now, what's fascinating about this experiment is that no one has been able to track a consumer's brain as they're walking down the supermarket aisle. Now, of course, this is not necessarily statistically significant, but it gives us an idea about what is really going on in the brain. Now, here is what we learned from this particular experiment, stuff which is not necessarily said on the television screen. Number one, we actually did learn that consumers are changing their mind. And when we did the experiment with our respondent, Kelly was her name, she actually changed her mind dramatically. What I found was really interesting was that despite her being aware of she was part of an experiment, it's almost like she changed her entire mind when she saw discount sales signs. That actually for me indicates that those tricks which retailers are using in general to make sure that we're buying more really do work. We are hardwired to be seduced by those discount sounds. Secondly, I think it was very interesting to see that when we are walking down the supermarket aisles, we quite often have our family in our back of the mind. Now, in this particular experiment with Kelly, she had her 4-month-old baby in her mind, and as soon as she was thinking about that baby, she didn't care about the price tag at all. That is really interesting because it shows that the emotional part quite often overrides any rational thinking in our brain. I think the last point, a really interesting point was, and we didn't see that on the television screen, that whenever Kelly was picking down products from the shelf, she always took the second product from the front of the shelf. It was almost like she felt that all the other products was infected, and she did that time after time. Now, we could not catch that with the cameras, but for me it shows that we as consumers feel that everything is infected, and therefore the cleanness of product, the newness of it, the freshness of it is incredibly important for us. It's almost like we're hardwired to be seduced by that, and possibly something I think brands can be aware of and can use in the future when they're developing new strategies. And I hope you enjoy the journey into Kelly's mind while she's shopping in a retail store here in New York City. I'll jump on another plane, but see you next week where I'm going to explore new and innovative ways of building brands.
The Martin Lindstrom Video Report. New and innovative ways of building brands.